Hi foodies, welcome back again to my channel. Now today I'll be showing you how to make a dessert with sweet potatoes. Now these are the sweet potatoes that I found and it's a Marathi recipe. It's called Ratalya Chya Fodi. It's so amazingly flavorful but it's not that high on sugar also. You will see. It's a coconut based dessert and I'm sure your family will love it. So if you're ready, let's start.
We are going to use pure ghee for the awesome taste it gives after. Let it melt. I have broken the cardamom pod slightly to release the flavor. Here I have washed, peeled and cubed the sweet potato into bite-sized pieces. Saute for a minute or so before we cook further. Now you can reduce the ghee quantity if you like. A pinch of salt goes a long way. Mix again and we are going to cover and cook these halfway on medium flame. It doesn't take much time for these to cook. Now's the best part. We will add fresh grated coconut for that awesome taste. Just saute for a minute or so for the raw flavor to go off. Now you can reduce the quantity of milk if you want the final dish a bit thick. However, this thickens eventually as it cooks and kept aside to cool. Here you can adjust the sugar as per how sweet you like. Cardamom and saffron are both added for flavor and color of the dish. Once this comes to a boil, we will reduce the flame and cook the sweet potatoes completely until soft. Now let this cook uncovered for the milk to reduce a bit. Now if it cuts through easily, then it's done. Perfect. Remember, this will eventually thicken as it sits. Our sweet potato dessert is ready and you can have it warm or cold. Thank you for watching.
So quick and easy, right? This is again one of my mom's recipe. I've been trying to show a lot of her recipes lately because she is one of the best cooks I know and she is still an amazing cook. If you like my recipes, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified with any new recipes that I post every week. And if you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you next week.